bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.
I'm Uncle Frank. Everybody has an Uncle Frank, especially in Italian family. My father was my father was kind of quiet. He was an orphan since he was 8 years old, and but quiet, but sweetheart. What a sweetheart of a guy. I'll put it this way. I made more money when I was 15 to 16 years old than my father did. You know, he was just a hard worker, and he worked in cleaning air conditioning at the Tribune in Chicago. And but we had everything. We had plenty of food. We had my mother used to make clothes. She was a seamstress, and no complaints. I mean, everybody has everything now. The kids have everything now. And I don't know if it's a good thing. Yeah, I guess, but.
Which one of your brothers and sisters gave you the worst time?
My sister. My sister and I used to fight all the time. We'd have breakfast, and we'd have zuppadel. I'll tell you what zuppadel is. It's a bowl of coffee with a hard Italian bread. You put pieces in it with a little sugar on it. I mean, it was. And anyway, because we didn't get along, and we had, like, let's say Kellogg's Pep or cereal, we would stack the boxes up so we don't have to look at each other. I'm telling you, but she was probably my best friend until she passed a couple of years ago. So close, and I used to talk to her all the time.
Who was your favorite teacher in school?
Oh, Miss O'Day. Miss O'Day was fabulous. She used to smell this perfume she had. It smelled like burnt oranges. You know, orange peels?
Who was she? She was your teacher, right?
No, in the grammar school, yeah, Miss O'Day. She was terrific. And everything was so different. It was so different. Everyone who went to school, they weren't dressed up. But, I mean, they had nice pants and a shirt and whatever. Not like it is today. I mean, it's just... It's just different. So I guess I'm from the old school. I live in the past, unfortunately, but that's where my best times were. You know, of course, things do change. The difference between born in 1936 and born in 2021 is a little different. That's for sure.
Come bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.